Ani kada ko?
Isa na pa po.
I have this another attachment that I bought from Amazon. It's super cool. You just attach the camera and you will now have a stick. And if you want to use kani lang, and then drag it down, tilt it down, and then now you have a stick. You can pull this up longer if you want it longer. I have this stick from this camera, so I just use it for my Go Ultra. Now I can just carry this alone without holding this tiny camera because it's a bit of a hassle if kanila alone. Makita akong kamot if mag-record, and if naka-attach siya always, it's too tiny for my liking. And appeal na ni siya when you buy this connector. Yan na ni siya kataban for, I think this is for like bigger camera or bigger tripods, I think. I don't know, I'm not so sure. But yeah, it's really helpful.